Hello, WILTSEY Wildcats. My name is Mr. Puebla. Welcome to our 6th grade semester 1 assembly. Hey, I'm going to do this to know where I'm at. Welcome. We have our ASB students here. Say hello, ASB folks. Wild Will's in the house, and we have our admin support team here with us too. We are here to celebrate your accomplishments, your achievements during semester 1. We are thankful you are here with us watching. Even though we are not in person, we are here virtually in spirit, and we appreciate you being here with us. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We have a lot of names to read off, and we have a lot of awards to give away here too. So let's get started on this. All right, good times. All right, so let's start off with. We got December Students of the Month, guys. We forgot December, one of the coolest months of the whole year. So we're going to actually read off some Students of the Month for December. You guys know the categories already, right? We have the categories of Outstanding Wildcat, Most Improved Wildcat, Wildcat Character, Elective Excellence, and Sportsmanship as well too. So let's go ahead and read off those names for you guys. So you guys ready? ASB ready? Wild Will, we ready? Exactly, give me a thumbs up. There we go, that's how we do things. All right, so for Outstanding Wildcat, we have Samantha Perez. For History, Diana Hernandez. We have Kevin Ovalle for Math, and for Science, Caitlin Lopez. Congratulations to Outstanding Wildcats for December. Congratulations there, guys. For Most Improved Wildcat for Language Arts, we have Fernanda Solis Roa. Congratulations. History, Zelaya Gonzalez. Congratulations there. Desiree Ontiveros. Congratulations. And Jasmine Amaro. Congratulations to you guys. All right, most improved out of the way. Let's go to Wildcat Character. For Wildcat Character, we have Sofia Lopez, Tyshawn Davis, Gabriel Arellano. We have Hugo Ramirez. Congratulations, guys. There we go. We got some air horns in here too. Congratulations for Wildcat Character Student of the Month for December. Good job there, guys. What else we got? We have Elective Excellence. We have one 6th grader who rocked elective, his hair elective this semester. So for December, Adeline Fabian. Congratulations. Woo-hoo. Congratulations, Adeline Fabian. And for Sportsmanship, we have a Sportsmanship Excellence Award for December, 6th grader, Jorge Rodriguez. Congratulations, Jorge. Woo. Congratulations. All right. Guess what, guys? That was it for the first semester, December, Students of the Month. But guess what? We want to be able to recognize everyone that won an award for Student of the Month for the whole first semester. So we're going to go ahead and read off some names here. I do have some help, but I'm going to start us off here with the Students of the Month. There's a lot. There's a lot of 6th graders here that got these awards, which is really cool. I'm going to move my face out of the way. I'm going to push myself this way. So now we're off screen. But we're going to go read off these names for you guys. First of all, we have for September, Eliza Hu, Brianna Jacob, Erin Rodriguez, Gabriela Perez, Jasleen Luna, Faith Franco, Caitlin Bowen, Natalie Alarcon, Ray Nunez, Liliana Ramirez, Samantha Perez, Diana Hernandez, Kevin Ovalle, and Caitlin Lopez. Again, woo! Good job, guys. That's for all Outstanding Wildcats. Outstanding Wildcats for the month of September, for semester 1. Congratulations. Now we're going to go do is Most Improved Wildcats for semester 1. And we have the wonderful help of Mrs. Messon, who's going to read off some names for me because my voice is going dry. Go ahead, Miss Messon.
All right, Wildcats for September, we have Steven Miguel, we have Martin Martinez. For October, we have Alejandro Murillo Mesa, Ariana Harris, Jacqueline Ortiz, Joshua Rios. For November, we have Jasmine Amaro, Sol Castillo, Alexander Cadena Saldana, Allison Calacin Chito, and December, we have Fernanda Solis Roa, Delia Gonzalez, Desiree Ontiveros, and Jasmine Amaro.
Good job. Woo-hoo. Good job, guys. All right, what do we have next? We have Wildcat Character Semester 1. We have the help of an awesome ASB kiddo. Go ahead, kick it off.
For September, we have Jose Bravo and Anthony Nunez. For October, we have Angel Carrizal Rosas, Jimena Calegos, Christopher Villasenor, Joshua Zambrino, and for November we have Aiden Ramirez, Lizeo Gaspar Villa, Andrew Gonzalez, and Brooklyn Morris. For December we have Sofia Lopez, Tishana Davis, Abril Ariano, and Hugo Ramirez. Good job.
Good job, good job. Solid job with those names. These are easy names. Anyone can read these names. All right, we're going to go off into our next one, which is Elective Excellence for Semester 1 and Sportsmanship Excellence for Semester 1. We have the help of Mrs. A, our assistant principal, going to read off some names for us.
Thank you, Mr. Puebla. Elective Excellence Semester 1, we have Aiden Benjamin Ramirez, Jimena Gallegos, and Adelene Fabian. Congratulations. And for our next category, Sportsmanship Excellence Semester 1, we have Faith Franco, Nevaeh Lawrence, Jaslyn Luna, Brianna Jacob, Anthony Nunez, and Jorge Rodriguez. Congratulations.
Good job, guys. Good job. Congratulations to all our Semester 1 Student of the Month recipients. You guys did an amazing job, showing your greatness during Semester 1, which was not an easy Semester 1, right? This one's one for the books for sure. And you are forever ingrained as a Student of the Month during that semester. And we thank you for all your accomplishments during that month. We definitely appreciate it. So we're going to move on to our Semester 1 Awards Assembly Honor Roll category. This is Honor Roll for Semester 1. And so we're going to pass this off to Mrs. Tuttle. She's going to let us know a little bit about Honor Roll, and also congratulations.
Well, congratulations to all of our students who won awards for the first semester. We're so proud of you. You are really showing us excellence during this challenging time. So our first awards that we're going to present for the semester are our Honor Roll Awards. And this is our students who have achieved a GPA of a 3.5 to a 3.99. We are so proud of you, especially with this online environment. You are keeping up your grades, you're doing your assignments, you're doing what you're supposed to do, and you're proving it to us that you can do this. And we're just so proud of you. So I can't wait to hear the names of our students who are earning Honor Roll. Congratulations.
Right on, right on. So let's get started with the Honor Roll. Honor Roll, again, 3.5 to 3.99. That's practically straight A's. That's really good, considering everything we had up against us, right? Honor Roll recipients. And make sure you redeem these A's and B's for money with your parents and guardians, because that's how it works, right? Honor Roll recipients, Daisy Alvarez, Ruben Alvarez, Naya Anderson Rivers, Caitlin Bowen, Jacqueline Vitado, Epifanio Cabral Herrera, Ricky Castañeda, Aiden Flores, Alexander Flores Hernandez, and Travis Garcia on this day. Congratulations to these guys. Woo-hoo! Congratulations. We got more. Yadira Garcia, Lillian Hernandez, Elio Jimenez, Rayan Chiari, Nevaeh Lawrence, Emmanuel Leonardo, Martin Martinez, Joseph Moreno, Jacqueline Ortiz, and Hugo Ramirez on this page. And a round of applause, Good job, guys. Good job, Honor Roll recipients. And our last page here, we have Liliana Ramirez, Erin Rodriguez, Yaretsi Rodriguez Saray, Daniela Salgado, Fernanda Solis Roa, Amira Stewart, Christopher Villaseñor, and Destiny Villegas. Congratulations, guys. Woo-hoo! Congratulations. Toto, what do we got next?
So next we have our students who have earned Principal's Honor Roll. And what Principal's Honor Roll is those students who earned a 4.0 GPA, and that is straight A's. So during this very challenging time, these are the students who have worked so hard to make sure every single assignment is turned in. They're doing all their iReady, they're doing everything that they're being asked to do, and they are just flourishing. And we are so proud of our students who were able to, during this pandemic, achieve a 4.0 GPA.
Right on. So guys, these are Principal's Honor Roll. These are top-notch 4.0. Guys, if you keep this up in high school, this also translates to a lot of Cal Grant free money. So keep that up. Guys, awesomeness. Let's go ahead and get started here with these guys right here. we have, let's see, who do we have here? Natalie Alarcon, congratulations. Camilo Sendejas Rodriguez, Jacqueline Dueñas Rocha, Adeline Fabian, Faith Franco, Andrew Gonzalez, Diana Hernandez, Matthew Hernandez, Eliza Hu. Congratulations on this win, guys. Congratulations. Let's go on, move on to the next page. We have Brianna Jacob, Dallas Jones, Crystal Lopez, Jasmine Luna, Jimena Marquez, Mariah Martinez, Valeria Mora Casillas, Edward Morris, and Ray Nunez on this page. Congratulations, guys. Good job. Amazing stuff here. Up next, we have Heaven Ovalle, Gabriela Perez, Samantha Perez. We have Aiden Ramirez, Juliana Ramos, Melanie Rios, Sierras, Ada Rios, Jorge Rodriguez, and Diana Vidal. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. Principal's honor roll. You guys did amazing job. Amazing job. One more round of applause for honor roll and principal's honor roll is the crew by Will. Will is giving round of applause. Good job there. Alright guys, we covered Students of the Month, we covered our honor roll, principal's honor roll. We have our mini little attendance incentive drawing we're going to be doing for you guys right now. So we do have to recognize some of the not only amazing academic work you've been doing, but just your perseverance in showing up to class every single day on time and showing up to school AM and PM. Remember, both sessions are mandatory, but attending every single class for semester 1. We're gonna do a little raffle for you, but guess what? I have no clue what I'm gonna give you. Your prize is so top secret, I don't even know what you're getting. All I know is you're gonna get something. But I just wanted to make sure you recognize your greatness for your attendance right now. So what we're gonna do is raffle off some stuff. And then we're gonna go ahead and select some names for you guys. You guys ready to see some winners, some names, guys? Yeah? Of course we are. Let's go ahead and do those names. Now here's what we did. We took everyone that had perfect attendance for semester 1, 6th grade, and popped you on this Wheel O Names, fancy technology here, guys. This is like top secret equipment here that I got access to. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at our winners for our attendance incentive drawing. Let's see who we get here. Let's go ahead and get started on these. And I'm gonna move myself out. And who we got first? We have David, 244163. Make sure you know your ID number, otherwise you're out of class. There we go, our second winner. We have Matthew, no name ripper, 237. Woo-hoo! If you make your name, you may pause the video at any point. Good.
Who's next?
Oh, who's next? We got Ashley next. 243670. Congratulations, Ashley. Okay, I thought we had 3 guys. Who do we have next?
Who's next?
Aiden! Aiden Benjamin, congratulations. Who do we got next? We have Destiny Noemi, 24147. Congratulations. What else do we have? Mariah! Anyway, 24449. Congratulations, Mariah. Thank you for showing up on time to class every single day of semester 1. Keep it up. Up next we have Bryant, 2452. Congratulations, Bryant. I lost track. I have no clue how many names are given away now. Hopefully the wheels stop. We got Jacob, 24144. Congratulations, Jacob. That was it. We have 8 winners. 8 solid winners. We need some horns. Congratulations. You are attending winners. You guys rocked attendance. Please make sure you keep it up for semester 2. We will get in touch with you once we have prizes determined, and we'll actually do it in the order that they were selected. So first name gets first dibs, and then we'll kind of go from there too. But congratulations. We'll be doing some more attendance drawings throughout semester 2 more frequently. Ms. Corrales will be reaching out, doing a little more of that to get you guys some recognition for your awesomeness and dedication to school, okay? So what else do we got here? And just a really quick recap. I know we have a little pandemic going on here, right? So we've had to kind of hold off on sending out prizes and awards and stuff. So thank you for your patience with that. Students of the month recipients, you guys will be getting a window decal and a certificate mailed out to you once we can get in that office and get these things out to you, all right? And then our honor roll and principal's honor roll recipients, you guys will be getting a principal's honor roll or honor roll certificate along with a dog tag with that specific designation on there as well too, okay? So you'll get that sent to you as recognition for your hard work. And guys, I think that was it. I think we wrapped up our semester 1 first ever virtual awards assembly. Another round of applause, everyone. If you guys recognize everyone's hard work.
Hey, Mr. Puebla,
And that is it. I think we're wrapped up. Can we settle any last parting words here?
No, but I think Miss Campagna would like to say something.
Awesome. Go for it,
Sorry.
Miss Campagna.
I just wanted to call out and maybe embarrass 2 of our honor roll. We have Hugo in the house. Wave, Hugo, for your honor roll. Nice job. And Diana for the principal's honor roll. Nice job. So
Awesomeness. Congratulations. They've been rocking the honor roll and principal's honor roll. Good job. Well, Will, good job. Thank you for showing up too, guys. Thank you so much for showing up for our semester 1 6th grade awards assembly. Thank you again, and keep up the great work. Bye, guys.